I'm Raymar Casillano, 19, from the province of Isagan. To answer whether to reform or abolish SK, I believe that what we need is to reform the current guidelines of the SK. Why? Well, I believe that SK should be involved in all decision and making for the improvement and development of these youth living in such community. Well, I believe that youth involvement in the barangay contributes to the total development of one community. Because I believe that these youth leaders will be, in the future, will serve to the maximum totality of the population of the Philippines, which will in turn contribute to the total participation of these youth leaders to achieve economic development, social development, cultural development. I believe that for me, as a youth leader, I don't need to abolish SK. Even though I am not an SK official, I believe that we should not abolish it. What we need is to reform. We need youth leadership in our community. We need youth leaders for us to have our voice to the government. We need leaders to serve us, to inspire us, and to know what we need and what we desire. I believe that this youth organization will be the training ground for all the youth of our community to become a good leader and good enough to be competitive globally. I believe that this will train them to have the heart, the passion, and this true dedication to serve the community. I believe that if we are able to reform and see the loopholes of the current SK guidelines or SK guidelines for election, I believe that if we give this solution to these loopholes, I believe that we can attain a maximum participation of the youth. I believe that with this, we need to reform the current guidelines of the SK, and we don't need to abolish it, because once we abolish it, there is no youth participation to the government by the youth. Thank you.
Achieve.